Hi everyone, it's Helen here and thank you very much for joining me for today's video. So I have an exciting new collection out. It's called Handmade with Love and it's going to be perfect if you love giving away sweets and treats to your friends and family and teachers. This is going to be absolutely perfect for any occasion. So let's jump straight in. Here we have the Twisted Bonbon Cracker die set. Now all of this is available to purchase right now. However, I will be live later on today with Lou as well. Just wanted to get that in there before we start. So this is the Twisted Bonbon Cracker die set. Now here it is here. You get 5 dies. Here is the die set. It's a nice sizable die and I have a tutorial for all of these, but especially watch the Twisted Bonbon Cracker die set for the folding instructions on this, and I go through step by step and make it easy. So this just opens up just like so. This is going to be absolutely perfect for Christmas. That really is, and it comes with all the mats and the heart-shaped trellis die there. And I just have a plain one here. I just love the look of it. It's like a little sweetie. I absolutely love that. Okay, so moving on, we have the mini picnic basket die set. Here it is. If you love the loaf tin, this is the miniature version, and you can literally just use it as a mini loaf tin. So it's perfect for cookies. So here it is here with the picnic basket on the top with the lid. That opens up like that, so you can jam pack that full of treats as well. Let me know in the comments what you would be putting inside these gift boxes, because I need ideas and I just love to know. So that is the mini picnic basket die set. You get 18 dies in there. That's quite a lot. Okay, we have now the Birdhouse gift box die set. I love this one because it's a cute little box and it cuts everything out all in one go. So you just fold all of your lines. You have your roof die and 2 choices there of an aperture, or you can use them as mats. So here we have one from Vicky. Here we go. Lovely there. She's used the bow there from the picnic basket as well. So she's used hers as a mat. Alternatively, you can cut straight into the box there to make a little aperture. If you're popping little sweets in there, pop some vellum or some acetate behind and then nothing will fall out. So that is the bird house, and it opens up just like that as well. So it has a little tab there that folds into the hole. So it's super easy there just to put together. So that is the Birdhouse gift box die set. Now again, I believe there will be bundles of these available as well, and if you're a VIP you get your 10% off. Here we have the mug wrap and treat box die set. I love this one too. This is going to be so useful for gifting mugs. You can make hot chocolate gift sets. So here we have a sample here, and then underneath we have a treat box that opens up at the front there. That fits on perfectly on top of the mug wrap. It's 2 separate dies as well, so you can use these separately as well as making other projects with this. I know Victoria has made a card set with this as well that opens up, so I'll leave Victoria's channel down below. She will have tutorials for all of her makes coming up throughout September, as well as myself on the Simply Made Crafts channel. So all of the tutorials for all of these die sets, the assembly instructions basically, will be on the Simply Made Crafts YouTube channel. All of them will be found there, and I'll be posting them out a day at a time from today. So that is the mug wrap and treat box die set. And then last but not least, with the dies, we have this die set here that goes with the Handmade with Love stamp die set. Now these two all come in this little envelope here. So we have an A5 stamp set here. This is perfect for anything that you have made yourself. So if you're gifting handmade soap, or you've knitted a blanket, crocheted a blanket, you've made some treats, some homemade cookies, cupcakes, you can make so much with this and decorate it with your little handmade stamp on it too. And I've included a birthday and a thank you because those are incredibly useful for your gifting. Okay, so that is, and no fussy cutting as well. So that is the stamp and die set. And we have the papers. So I'll be getting these papers out one by one during the live later on today at 12:30. That will be linked down below as well. If I forget to put any of these links in, do let me know and then I'll add them, because there's always going to be something that I sometimes forget. So that is the 12 by 12 single-sided sheets. You get 3 of each pattern. And then what do we have here? You might recognize these. Some of you will probably have these as well. So what have I got here? I have a template to use with these 2 dies. It's a free template download. Okay, here is the, sorry if that was loud, I was right next to my mic. So here is the template download. It makes a gift bag or a gift box. There is a manual cut there, and this will be out during September. I don't know the date that is going to be released, but it will be this September, and that leads me on to making Halloween versions of this and also Christmas versions as well. So this is going to take us through the rest of the season this year. So there's lots to cover because we've got Halloween, Christmas, and this launch. So what does all this look like once it's put together? We have this box. This is the box version, so this opens up just like so, and I have used the square treat drawer. Let's close this up. The square treat drawer. This gets a bit stuck there. Got a little extra flap. There we go. Right, so we have the square treat drawer and the rectangle treat drawer as well, so that goes in there. So this gift bag was designed to go with these 2 die sets. However, if you just wanted to use the gift bag or the gift box on its own, decorate it how you wish, you can do as well. So that's the gift box version, and here is the gift bag. Got something in there, I just need to take that out. There we go. And that is the gift bag. You can see the inner workings here of the drawers, so they're completely enclosed, so you're not losing any sweets inside the bag. And here is an example of the rectangle drawer that just attaches to the inside of any gift bag or gift box, and then this just opens up like that, and these tabs glue to the inside, and you get an extra mat here to cut into the side of your gift bag. Okay, so I will let you know. Make sure you're following me to make sure that you don't miss the release of this free template. It's going to be on Craft World, which is free membership, and that is going to be a lot of fun, making up Halloween versions and Christmas and everything, so I really can't wait. So that is my new collection, Handmade with Love. I absolutely love this collection. It's going to be so useful for any occasion: Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, birthdays, weddings, Halloween, Christmas, funerals. Maybe you can make everyone a treat if you want to. So yeah, obviously you'd have to get somebody else to do it for you if that was your plan, but anyway, I'm digressing now completely. So thank you very much for joining me today. Everything that I've used is listed down below, and I'll see you again next time.